Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. And today, I like driving this car. It's not my daily. The Lexus is my daily, but this car is just so nice. I want to enjoy this car. I want to drive this car. So, I'm gonna go up a size in wheels so I can get a little more clearance on the front. You know what I mean? So, I'm gonna go up 20s. And my boy offered me to trade for some wheels. No, why not? So we'll see what he has. All right. All right, guys. So we're here with my boy Satch, and we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this trade, and I'm actually going back to the old wheels I had because I had sold it to him. I'm here with my boy Satch, and he's the press of the car club called Techniques, and he has an amazing car collection. So you're gonna take a look at that in a little while. But I'm here to make that trade that I told you about because when I first bought the Nissan Cima, it came with 20s, and I sold them my 20s, and now I'm trading them back. I feel like I'll have a nice clearance in the front, so that bumper won't get fucked up again. But finally that noise stopped. So let's take a quick look at his car collection, guys. Ooh, look at this, guys. Pay attention to detail. Word? Shit. So this is the wheels I'm putting back. Pay attention to detail, guys. Yo, I just realized the design on the lip of the wheel, yo. Huh? I just realized the design on the lip of the wheel.
That's a lot of money on those wheels, brother. Those are the most expensive wheels I ever bought.
Damn. That's crazy.
Maybe like, without tires, maybe 9,200.
Oh, God. 9,200 for that set of wheels, guys.
You want to kill the game, that's what you want to do, bro.
Definitely. Look at this other toy right here. Right-hand drive. Now, Satch was the first person I seen driving a right-hand drive car out here. So he was killing the game from way back. Techniques Auto Club. Look at the sandblast design on the windows. Dope. What he got over here? Whew. I'm telling you, this is a real car guy. He has cars after cars after cars, and he drives all of them. More sandblast design on windows. That's something I was always looking forward to getting done. You got the Mini right here. Right-hand drive too. I didn't even know this was right-hand drive. Oh shit. Techniques Auto Club, baby. And you got the Techniques trailer. This is how he go to car shows when they are far. And also that's his BMW over there. You know, this guy is somebody I look up to. Satch is the real deal, guys. Real car guy, real car enthusiast, and he works on all his cars. Ooh, BMW Techniques. What you like? Yo, Satch is the man, you know what I mean? And he works on his cars and everything. And that's another car of his, Lexus GS 300. And that's not it. That's the only cars that he has here.
Back home in Jamaica. Me, I live over in Jamaica.
So we had to get a spacer.
Yeah, I don't live in South Rosa. Over in Jamaica State side. And on the other side of the hillside, near the Grand Central.
Please let it fit. Sure?
There you go, boy. Nice.
Your official residence is now in Florida. I said New York want to show my taxes. Fuck that, I'm going to Florida.
Yeah.
New York is not going to get the extra money when they come to.
And they're going to get
Perfect.
you.
The years when the years I live here, they're going to sit
Julia, you can sell his soul to the devil.
One of these days you're going to get caught.
for the year already. Hey.
Whew. Fire.
The lady said they're not trying to charge you more than trying. Because they're getting the work.
What you think? Yeah, right? Yeah.
Boy, you was poking out too much.
Rubbing on the
I
tire.
was rubbing on fucking tire.
But these wheels came off this one. But he wasn't back.
But it was a bag at that time.
Static.
Now you got a bag, you got to put it back.
I like it, yo. I bag a little on the back. Fuck it. All right, guys, it's a wrap. Mission completed. Now I'm gonna have extra height on the front where my bumper gets out the shop. You know what I mean? So I'm loving it. I'm loving it, and it looks good. It looks bagged. You know what I mean? I'm tucking on the rear just a little bit, and I got lip to fender on the front. Perfect setup. Perfect setup, guys. Thanks to my boy Satch. So you know what? We back here at Flawless, and you know I'm getting different size tires just to make sure my clearance is better. You know what I'm saying? All right, brand new tire. All for the fitment. So we're back at PA Collision Concepts. Make sure you follow, guys. And we are here to get this bumper put back on. You know, the bumper is already finished, all ready to go. Also, we're gonna add the hood supports, and the bumper is right here, you know, freshly painted. Everything got fixed, and can't wait to see how this baby gonna look with the, you know, the new wheel setup and all. So let's get this started, guys, and let's see what's the difference on height, you know, since I got the new wheel setup. Let's go. So now that I got my new wheel setup, you know, I'm gonna see what's the difference, you know, when you drive low and park lower. And this used to be my old wheel setup, 18s all around, slammed to the floor. I mean, so right now it is completely aired out, and that's how it looks when it's completely aired out. It has fitment on the front and is bagged on the rear. You know, before I had 18s, now I have 20s. So, you know, it's a different look, different stance. You know, I got the bagged look with the fitment fender to lip on the front. And that's completely aired out, guys. So we'll see how much clearance I have in the front. And I have 3 fingers of clearance in the front. Before I only had 1 finger. Only 1 finger used to fit. So that's the front, and that's when it's parked. And I could only fit 1 finger underneath that bumper. And that's when it's parked. That's a big improvement, I'd say. So let's see when on my drive height, let's see how high I want. All right, guys. So this is my drive height. So my drive height, I could probably fit 5 fingers now. My whole hand sideways. And before, I believe I was only able to fit like on my drive height, I fit 4 fingers. You know what I'm saying? Four fingers in the front on my drive height. You see that? So it is a big improvement, and that's how it looks on my right height. You know, no gap whatsoever, so it looks good. I like the way it looks like this, you know what I mean? And remember, guys, like, this is my right height and my sweet spot, because you know I have air suspension. Now when I come across a speed bump, like from a school zone, or I need to go up a driveway, the car does go up like 2 to 3 more inches, you know? So you cannot drive like that though. You got to go back to your sweet spot. Sometimes I forget, and then, you know, I notice because I start bouncing all over the place. Then I go back to my sweet right, my sweet spot, my drive height, which is 50 psi all the way around. All right, guys, make sure you like and subscribe. Stay warm out there if you live in New York. It's starting to get real cold out here. See you on the next video. Peace.